Good morning students, welcome in science class. Yes beta, in this class we are going to discuss one activity that show that sunlight is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, and we also do one worksheet, that is worksheet 2 in book. Okay beta, so ready for the class? Now let's start the reading. Now beta, let's start the reading. Page number 56. If there was no sun, then can plants prepare their food? No. Without the sun, sun's energy, plants cannot prepare their food and they die. ठीक है, संजम रीगा को कह रहा है कि अगर सन नहीं है तो क्या प्लांट अपना खाना बना सकते हैं? Then can plants prepare their food without sun? तो रीगा is saying no. Without the sun energy, plants cannot prepare their food and they die. ठीक है, so this activity is showing that how that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay, तो इस एक्टिविटी में हमने क्या करना है? Material required: potted plant, any potted plant, alcohol, water and iodine solution. These are the materials. Method: keep a potted plant inside a dark room for a few days. आपने क्या करना है? एक पोटेड प्लांट को एक डार्क रूम में जहां पर सनलाइट नहीं आती हो वहां कुछ दिनों के लिए रखना है. कीप वाटरिंग इट सो दैट इट मे नॉट गेट ड्राइड. उसको पानी देते रहना है. नाउ प्लक अ लीफ फ्रॉम द प्लांट. प्लक अ लीफ फ्रॉम दैट प्लांट एंड बॉयल इट इन अल्कोहल. उसको अल्कोहल में आपने बॉयल करना है. ठीक है, ये देखो, बॉयल द लीफ इन द अल्कोहल. टेक अल्कोहल इन द बीकर, put the leaf in that beaker and then boil it. Then add a few drops of iodine solution. Then add, ठीक है, लीफ को बॉयल करने के बाद लीफ को बाहर निकालना है आपने, उसमें आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन आपने ड्रॉप डालनी है उसमें. ठीक है. द लीफ डज नॉट टर्न ब्लू ब्लैक. जो लीफ होगा ना बेटा, दैट विल नॉट टर्न ब्लू ब्लैक. Conclusion: this indicate that leaf did not prepare its food. When plant prepare their food, then it will change into starch और sugar. ठीक है, लेकिन जब लीफ अगर ब्लू ब्लैक कलर का नहीं है, it means plant did not prepare its food. The only reason behind it can be the absence of sunlight. Reason क्या है? It can be the absence of sunlight. Plant leaf cannot make their food. This indicate that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. और ये इंडिकेट कर रहा है कि सनलाइट जो है इट इज वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस. तो आपने पोटेड प्लांट को डार्क में रखना है फॉर फ्यू डेज. प्लक अ लीफ, देन बॉयल द लीफ इन अल्कोहल, देन टेक आउट द लीफ एंड ऐड आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन एंड द लीफ डज नॉट टर्न ब्लू ब्लैक. दिस शो दैट द लीफ डिड नॉट या कैन नॉट प्रिपेयर देयर फूड without the presence of sunlight. Okay, so sunlight is very necessary for photosynthesis. And वन महोत्सव इज अ डे व्हेन पीपल प्लांट्स ट्री. वन महोत्सव एक डे होता है बेटा, वैसे तो हमें हमेशा ही प्लांट्स लगाते रहना चाहिए, लेकिन वन महोत्सव इज अ डे व्हेन पीपल प्लांट्स ट्री. जब पीपल ट्री को प्लांट्स करते, ग्रो करते. ठीक है, दैट डे इज कॉल्ड वन महोत्सव. ओके, नाउ बेटा दिस इज वर्कशीट 2. Unscramble the words to reveal to real parts of a leaf. You have to unscramble these words. These are the name of the leaf part. IRBDIM, that is midrib. AFELLBADE, that is leaf blade. Write whether each statement is true or false. Certain leaves can store food. That is true. Okay. Tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. That is also true. Xylem carries water from root to leaves. Xylem water को carry करती है ना, और phylum food को. तो that is also true. Fill the space with correct option with regard to parts of a leaf. Okay, ये क्या है बेटा? Tip of the leaf. तो यहाँ क्या आएगा? Leaf apex. Leaf apex. Second, this is midrib. Third, side wing. Then this is flat and green part, that is leaf blade, and this is leaf stalk. Okay. Now next, tick the correct option. Tubes that carry food from leaves to all part of the plant are. ठीक है, जो फूड को कैरी करता है बेटा लीव से प्लांट के पार्ट पे, उस ट्यूब्स को क्या कहते हैं? फाइलम. नाउ कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस बाय फिलिंग इन द ब्लैंक्स. You have to complete these sentences. Certain leaves like spinach and cabbage. यहाँ क्या आएगा बेटा? Spinach and cabbage can store food for us. Okay, certain leaves like spinach and cabbage can store food for us. Okay, so this is your worksheet.
To show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Materials required: healthy potted plant, watch glass, test tube, 2 beakers with water, iodine solution, alcohol, black papers, Bunsen burner, forceps, tripod stand with wire gauge, and dropper. Process: take a healthy potted plant and keep it in dark room for 24 hours. After 24 hours, cover one of its leaves on the upper and lower sides with black paper pieces. Put the plant in sunlight for 3 to 4 hours. After 3 to 4 hours, pluck this leaf and remove black paper pieces from it. Now boil this leaf in water to kill it. After boiling in water, again boil it in alcohol. Then wash the leaf in cold water and place it in a watch glass. Now pour some drops of iodine solution over it. Observation: the leaf which has been exposed to sunlight will turn blue. There is no change of color in the remaining part. Conclusion: this shows that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis.
So beta, you have to read page number 56, the activity that show that sunlight is necessary for the photosynthesis, and write and learn worksheet 2. Write the worksheet in book and learn worksheet also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye beta. Bye.